Who participates in the stock market? In addition to individual investors who tend to buy and hold stocks for the long term, there are other participants in the stock market. Okay, for example, a group of people who are active in the market are called short-term traders. Now, these people aren't considered the long-term prospects of a company. Instead, they use a variety of strategies in an attempt to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Instead of holding a stock for months or years, short-term traders might hold for minutes or a few days. It is estimated that individual investors and traders make up no more than 10% of the daily trading volume in the stock market. The majority of trades on the stock exchanges are done by professionals, including institutional investors such as mutual fund companies, pension funds, and hedge funds. Many professional traders use especially programmed computers that automatically buy and sell when certain price targets are reached. When you put all of the participants together, the volume on the various stock exchanges is seldom less than 1 billion shares each trading day.